Hey guys, Osa here. Welcome back to my channel. So I'm not going to talk your ear off too much, but I'm going to use the Revlon, I think it's called Hot Air Kit. And I've been eyeing this tool and I just wanted to test it on my 4C hair. The only thing is, I obviously want to do it when my hair is clean, but I don't think I'm going to have time to film this weekend. So I just wanted to get something up quickly, just kind of testing it out. So I'm using a heat protectant right here, and please keep in mind this is a spray, so it is liquid and it has the potential to revert your hair back, so just be careful for that. All right, let's jump into the video. So here's how the iron comes. You have a larger piece, smaller piece, and they go on top of here. And then it has a concentrator, like a nozzle that you put on top and just concentrate it in one area. I'm gonna use the larger one. So you put it on and you twist, and it has a release button right here. So it has the settings of off, cool, low, and high. So let's see, let me try it on low. Let's see, did I get my edges a little bit straighter? Actually did. So that was low. All right, let me get some clips. Start with the back. I think I have to do small sections. I'll do medium sections. So I'm gonna put it on low again. So believe it or not, guys, low gets pretty hot. So I'm fine with where it is right now, especially because my hair is not clean. Yes, Baba Diva?
My picture.
I drew it already for you. I drew it. I'm just filming. Let me film. It's raining a little bit, yes. All right. Just a little bit. Okay guys, so this is what my hair came out like. Like I said, low is still pretty hot, so be careful. I would not use this on high heat for a long period of time. You don't want to dry your hair out too much. I just wanted to get a little feel for what this blow dry iron actually did, and I'm actually really impressed with it. All right, guys, I do have to run to work. I will see you in my next video. I love you and have a wonderful day. Bye-bye. Okay, look at you making it to the end of the video. So if you are interested, I have some other links right here that you can click on to see what I do here on this channel. If you enjoyed today's video, don't forget to give me a like, a comment, and a subscribe, and I'll catch you in my next video. Bye.